Do you dream of a life where you don't have to worry about money? A life where you can do what you love without being stuck in a 9-to-5 job? That's where the idea of earning passively comes in. It means earning money without actively working for it. To learn about passive income, we have renowned author Robert Kiyosaki. Robert Kiyosaki is an American entrepreneur, investor, and author known for the popular book Rich Dad, Poor Dad. He is also a financial educator who has taught people around the world how to build wealth and create passive income streams for many years. In this video, we will discuss Robert Kiyosaki's latest insights and his 6 primary cash flow investment recommendations to help you earn additional income in 2023.
That the rich work for is called passive income. Passive income is also known as cash flow. That's the name of our game, cash flow. And that income is income that's flowing from here to here. It bypasses taxes. So I know it doesn't sound fair, and it isn't fair. I don't disagree with you. But what's not fair is our schools, which are part of the problem.
Before we delve into the 6 primary sources of cash flow, it's essential to understand what passive income is and why it's crucial. Cash flow is something you receive without actively working for it. It means you can make money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with your family. Earning passively is important because it allows you to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Agreeing with Kiyosaki, earning passively is the key to creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. In his latest book, The Capitalist Code, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of creating multiple sources of passive income instead of relying solely on your job. He also highlights the significance of investing in cash flow generating assets rather than investments that only appreciate. Now, let's explore the 6 primary sources of cash flow for passive income. Asset number 1, real estate. Real estate is among the top assets that I recommend for passive income in 2023. Kiyosaki believes it provides a stable source of income, sustains a lifestyle, and builds wealth over time. One of the reasons Kiyosaki loves real estate is that it offers a tangible asset that you can see and touch. Kiyosaki recommends investing in rental properties, commercial real estate, and real estate investment trusts. He emphasizes the importance of finding properties in high-growth areas prone to appreciation over time.
The beauty about real estate is you learn to use debt to get rich. I'll give you another tip. If you're going to be rich, you have to learn to use debt. It's called other people's money.
But what if you don't have the capital to invest in real estate? There's a solution. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. These are companies that own and operate income-generating properties. By investing in these real estate funds, you can receive dividends without being a direct property owner. Asset number 2, dividend-paying stocks. Dividend-paying stocks are another great way to generate cash flow. When you buy this type of stock, you receive a portion of the company's profits through dividend payments. Over time, stocks with good yields prove to be a wise asset as they provide a steady income stream without requiring you to sell your shares. Kiyosaki recommends investing in stocks with consistent dividend payments and a strong financial foundation. Associated with stock market investment, buying shares of companies can be a powerful tool for building wealth if you're willing to analyze and invest in high-quality companies. In a recent interview, Kiyosaki shared how he invested in an organization that paid over 20% annual returns. He believes that investing in stocks can be an excellent source of passive income, especially for those willing to research and invest in high-quality brands.
Risk is you look in the mirror. It's who's looking back at you. You're the risk, not the investment. For example, I invest in a lot of real estate and say, oh, real estate is so risky, so I think I'll buy ETFs. So you play it safe, but you'll learn more by investing in real estate.
Asset number 3, business. It can be a great source of passive income if set up correctly. The idea behind building a passive income business is to create a system that can operate without constant attention from the owner. This means starting a scalable business capable of generating revenue without ongoing involvement. This can include digital books, online courses, and other digital products that can be sold online. Once you create these products, you can continue selling them repeatedly, generating continuous revenue. But what if you don't own a business or don't have the time or resources to start one? Well, there's also a solution for that. You can invest in other people's businesses. Investing in a business as a passive investor can provide a source of income without actively working in the industry. Kiyosaki himself is a successful entrepreneur who has built a business empire that provides him with a steady stream of passive income. He started small, selling wallets when he was 9 years old, and over the years, he has built many successful businesses that have provided him with passive income. In general, building a passive income business requires commitment and patience. By creating a scalable, efficient, and automated business, you can earn passively and free up your time to focus on other things. If you're still watching and enjoying the video, can we count on your thumbs up? I appreciate it in advance. Asset number 4, intellectual property. Intellectual property is an excellent source of cash flow and income. If you have valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that can be legally protected, IP can refer to intangible creations of the mind, such as patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets, which can be owned and used to generate more income. Creating and owning intellectual property can significantly generate passive income over time.
When I create that cash flow game, it's intellectual property, it's patented. It's in 50 different languages. Every quarter they send me a check. Zero investment into it. When I write a book, like this book here, I think I make about $600,000 a month just from royalties coming off this book. Because I sell the book to a book publishing company, and they send me a check.
These are some ways in which intellectual property can be a source of passive income. Patents. If you have a unique invention or innovation, you can apply for a patent that grants you exclusive rights to use and sell your design for a specific period. An example is the patent for Post-it, which was sold to 3M for $12 million and continues to generate passive income for its inventor. Copyrights. Copyrights protect original creative works such as books, music, films, and software from unauthorized copying or distribution. By obtaining a copyright, you can earn passive income through royalties from sales or licensing your work to others. An example is the Harry Potter series, which has sold over 500 million copies worldwide and generates passive income for its author, J.K. Rowling, through book sales, film rights, and merchandise. In a recent lecture, Kiyosaki shared how he created a board game called Cash Flow 101, which has sold over 2 million copies worldwide. But what if you're not a writer or a musician? You can invest in other people's intellectual property. For example, investing in a book or film can earn you passive income through royalties. Intellectual property can be a great source of passive income if you have valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that can be legally protected. Asset number 5, peer-to-peer lending. Lending is an alternative investment strategy that can bring passive gains by directly connecting borrowers and investors through an online platform. Peer-to-peer lending is a newer asset class, but has become increasingly popular in recent years. By lending money to individuals and small businesses through investors, it's possible to obtain a steady stream of passive income through interest payments.
Well, it's loaning money to people who can't get a loan anywhere else.
Loans vary in terms of like risk and interest rate, and
but they're all people. They're all people that couldn't go to the bank. If they could go to the bank, they would go to the bank.
P2P lending platforms operate as intermediaries between borrowers and investors, providing a marketplace for borrowers to access loans and investors to earn investment returns. Investors can select individual loans to fund or invest in a diversified portfolio of loans, typically earning higher returns than traditional savings accounts or bonds. P2P lending offers several advantages. First, investors can earn higher returns due to lower operational costs and reduced intermediation fees from P2P lending platforms. Second, it allows investors to diversify their portfolios across a wide range of borrowers, reducing the risk of default. Lastly, P2P lending offers a socially responsible investment option by providing access to capital for underserved borrowers who may not qualify for traditional bank loans. Various popular P2P lending platforms offer opportunities for passive income for investors. One example is Lending Club, which has facilitated over $60 billion in loans to borrowers and generated over $14 billion in returns for investors since its inception. For borrowers, P2P lending offers a flexible and accessible source of capital with lower interest rates and fees compared to traditional bank loans. However, like any investment, it is essential to carefully consider the risks and benefits of P2P lending before investing. Asset number 6, annuities. Are you concerned about running out of retirement savings? Do you desire the security of a steady income stream in your golden years? If so, consider adding annuities to your portfolio. An annuity is a contract between an individual and an insurance company in which the individual makes payments in exchange for regular payments from the insurance organization at a later date. Annuities can be an available income source, providing a guaranteed income stream in retirement. Annuities also come with some risks. One of the main risks is that annuity payments may not keep pace with inflation, which can erode the value of income over time. Additionally, annuities can be complex financial products with high fees and early withdrawal penalties, which can reduce the investment value if the policyholder decides to withdraw the funds early. Various types of annuities can be used as a source of passive income, including immediate annuities, deferred annuities, and variable annuities. Immediate annuities provide regular income payments immediately after purchasing the policy, while deferred annuities provide income payments that start later, typically in retirement. Variable annuities offer the potential for higher returns, but come with more risks, as income payments are based on the performance of underlying investments. In conclusion, earning passive income is the best way to supplement your regular income or provide a steady income stream in retirement by diversifying your portfolio with different cash-generating assets. Anyone can create a sustainable source of passive income to provide financial security for years to come. It is essential to do your research, consult financial advisors, and carefully consider the risks and benefits of each investment before making a decision. With patience, intelligence, and a solid financial strategy, you can create a steady income stream that allows you to live the life you desire without worrying about economic uncertainties. Let us know in the comments which one interested you the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications to be notified when a new video is released. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.